Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a super delicious gluten-free and eggless treat for you. An almond flour chocolate cake with a rich chocolate ganache. It's perfect for all the chocolate lovers out there, and the best part, it's very easy to make and uses simple ingredients. So let's get started. So first, let's make our buttermilk, as it needs to sit for about 10 minutes. So take 1/4 cup of milk and mix it with 1 teaspoon of regular vinegar. Give it a quick stir and set it aside. Now this curdling process gives the cake a soft and moist texture. Now while the buttermilk rests, we'll sift together the dry ingredients: almond flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Okay, now I'm using my wire whisk to mix this all. You can also sift everything together. Almond flour is perfect for a soft gluten-free cake with a nutty flavor. Okay. Now for the wet ingredients. In a bowl, combine half cup of coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, now that our buttermilk has been resting for about 10 minutes, we'll pour it into the batter and gently fold until it's well combined. Canola oil keeps the cake light and the coconut sugar gives it a subtle caramel sweetness, and obviously it's a better option than the white sugar. Now is the time to add our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and we'll fold everything gently, making sure not to overmix. I actually first made this cake for my son who loves healthy desserts. So he's encouraging me to make healthy desserts for him and of course for everyone. I wanted to bake something wholesome yet delicious, and this recipe was an instant hit. It's rich, chocolatey and full of good ingredients. Here it goes. Okay. Now next we have to pour the batter into a 6-inch round cake pan lined with parchment paper. So I have already greased this pan and lined it with parchment paper. Now smooth it out evenly and it's ready to bake. So I'm going to pop this into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick comes out with just a few crumbs. Remember, we don't want it completely clean because the cake continues to bake even after it's out of the oven. Now once baked, let the cake cool completely on a wire rack. It's soft and delicate, so handle it carefully. Okay, so while the cake cools, let's make our chocolate ganache. So this is 3/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate, and into this I'm going to add hot milk. This is half cup of milk. Just mix it and let it sit for a minute. You can also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract if you want. Okay, now just give it a good mix. And our ganache is ready. It's smooth now. And now that the cake has cooled, let's frost it. Pour the ganache over the cake and spread it evenly with a spatula. Now you can garnish with anything like strawberries or chopped nuts or anything. So I have these semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm not going to use too many, but I'm going to scatter them a little bit away from each other. Okay. So now is the time to take a slice. This is too soft. So look at the soft and moist texture. This gluten-free eggless chocolate cake is sure to satisfy your chocolate cravings without adding too many calories in your diet. This cake is so rich and delicious. I hope you try this recipe at home. Let me know in the comments if you love healthy desserts too and what other recipes you would like to see next. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Happy baking!